Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Proton VPN on mobile. First, open the Play Store and search for Proton VPN. Then find the app and install it on your phone. After installing, open the app and you will see the login screen. So just tap on Continue as guest. Next, you may see an update pop-up window. Simply tap Not Now and Proton VPN will open. Now you can see the main screen. At the top, you can see your current IP address. So now just tap on Connect and the VPN will connect you to a random server location automatically. You can't use many features for free. You can change servers, but free users may have to wait for some time before switching. If you want, you can also go to settings and create an account. So give this VPN a try and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.